So with that, I'm going to introduce my friend and business associate, Sheri Peifer. She's an incredibly innovative organization who not only talks the talk, but walks the walk.
Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. I just want to say it's been a privilege to be up here with the fellow panelists today. These gentlemen are fabulous in what they're pioneering, and it's been a privilege for Eskaton, which is a Northern California provider, or not-for-profit provider of senior residences and services, to be able to integrate some of these technology pieces within our home. We've been around about 40 years, and coming into our 41st year now. And what Eskaton has been looking at is, with the integration of these technologies, with our learnings through pilot projects, and also our understanding of environmental design, Eskaton's board of directors said, now's the time that we need to actually converge, as I will use the term again in my discussion today, converge these ideas and build a home where people can actually come and visit, touch and feel what this looks like and how it works. So in particular, I just want to share a little bit about that today. The Eskaton National Demonstration Home opened in late October this past year and has been a project that's been under research for probably about a year and a half to 2 years ago. And we had 19 collaborating partners on this project with us, several of them sitting in this room today, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without them. This home is an 1,800 square foot home that actually sits on one of our newer campuses in Roseville, California. It's one of 300 homes that are actually on a service-enriched campus. And next steps are actually to roll out the entities within this home across all of those homes on that campus and beyond the campus as well. This demonstration home is a convergence of 3 elements. In particular, we wanted to showcase and educate the public and targeted audiences on universal design, which again has been around for quite some time, but we found that it's not commonplace yet in residential home building. So we wanted to put forth what Eskaton has compiled, which is a certified home program, over 100 core elements in design that are integrated into floor plans that also make the home technology enabled for the future. Health and wellness technologies, which is what I will focus on most today, as well as green living features. It is a green certified home because we realize as we're moving into the future here that many are living on fixed incomes and are very interested in energy efficiency and moderating costs. So we wanted to educate folks on that as well. Again, our mission as an organization is to enhance the lives of older adults through innovative health, housing, and social services. And that's been our mission, over 20 years of our 40, so still working towards that. As we take the roof off here of the demo home, and I do have brochures on the back that that are available for you on this demonstration home. We take the roof off here, you can see Dr. Mike McGee's quote, "At the end of the day, caring will recenter in the home where compassion and personalization reside." Yes, we are a senior housing and service provider. However, we also understand the complexity that goes into caring and supporting individuals wherever their home is, whether that be in an apartment setting, a naturally occurring retirement community, if you will, and also in new residential models as well. This showcases what we have at the demonstration home, which is an integrated system of blended home automation, wellness monitoring, telemonitoring, again, empowering consumers to take their prevention very seriously and to give them the tools to do so. We have had close to 450 folks through the home since it opened thus far, and it is going to be open throughout this year yet until we have folks living in the home. The different technologies that are showcased and in which we educate about within this home environment are, some are prototypical and some, of course, have been around quite some time that Eskaton has piloted in our communities. The Village Connection is really what we look at in terms of kind of a concierge at your fingertips idea, where we understand that services are so important in keeping someone independent. And so we're looking at various interfaces. What you see here is a touch screen application that people can talk into a conversation with a person at a support center, such as an Eskaton community, or again, looking at home care services or chore support or pet walking, whatever it is, someone can actually use that interface to receive services. Wellness monitoring. Grandcare has been a great partner with us. We have piloted their technologies out in our care management division, actually, in different homes. And the touchscreen interface that Charlie showed you just a few minutes ago is actually what is shown in the demonstration home as well. And that has been a fascinating technology, especially for family caregivers. As you can imagine, if you are busy as much or long distance, it's very important to stay connected and supported through that process. We also have a great partnership with Intel, and they have the Intel Health Guide, which many of you probably learned about out on the expo floor. In the Intel Health Guide, we have a home health services division within Eskaton, and we're looking at exploring that application for chronic disease management and how can our telemonitoring nurses have that supportive connection to keep people safe in their own home environments and out of the